Hi guys, welcome to the second video on my channel. My name is Burkanator and today I'll be reviewing the TechNet mechanical RGB keyboard. Let's get right into the unboxing. So, once we open up the box, we can see the keyboard itself wrapped in something, I don't know what that is called, and there's two foam pieces on each side to protect it from any damage if it falls during the delivery process. Okay, let's get this keyboard out of the way. Okay, it comes with obviously the wire. And inside the box is a welcome guide and something else. Let's just get the box out of the way and start reviewing the keyboard itself. So guys, here's the keyboard itself. I think it's a pretty clean finish throughout the keyboard itself. The only downside I'll say is that it says TechNet there, so there's a watermark at the front of the keyboard, but that's not a big letdown. The keyboard is amazing itself. Let's just give it a quick ASMR tapping test. As you guys can hear, that sounds amazing. It feels so great. It feels like a proper mechanical keyboard. It feels very great, and let's just see this bad boy, how it looks when it's plugged in and when all the RGB lights are on. Guys, it is all plugged in, ready to go. And all I have to do, let me quickly check, is press this button right here, which is the lighting mode, and when I press it, it will turn on the first available RGB colors. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. As you guys can see, it's RGB running down the whole keyboard, which looks amazing in my opinion. And I think there is about like 12 different settings, and I'm gonna let it run through for you guys. And to change the settings, you have to click this button once again. So let's see the second one. And that's it. That's all the modes, and let's just go back to the beautiful first one. I think this is the best one because it's not moving, it's not distracting, it's just there, and it's just, you just want to admire it. And yeah, it feels absolutely amazing. As you guys can see, it sounds amazing as well. And one second, I want to show you guys that this is a blue cherry. So all we have to do is get this thing, which is attached onto the back of the keyboard, and I took it out already. Push it down on one of the keys. Once it's there, just, oh, never mind, it's not even attached. Just push it back up, and there we go. You take it out like that, and as you guys can see, I can't really tell if you can see because of the lighting. But one second, let me just. So as you guys can see, it's blue cherry tip. In my opinion, the blue cherry tips are the best mechanical keyboard because they just are very light. You tap it a little bit and it actually clicks in, and they sound beautiful. Have a listen to this. Yeah, and to put it back in, you just slide this out like this, and you just push it in super easily. Doesn't even make a noise, and it's already in. So
let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to let me know down in the comments below what you would like to see next.